In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quiz form in WordPress without a plugin. Creating a quiz form can be a fun and interactive way to engage visitors on your website, and while plugins are often used for such tasks, it's entirely possible to accomplish this without relying on them. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is the control hub for your website, where you can customize almost every aspect of your pages. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the Pages option in the sidebar, click on that, and then select Add New. This is where we'll build our new quiz page. It's helpful to give your page a descriptive title, like Fun Quiz or Knowledge Check, whatever reflects the theme of your quiz. Next, you'll want to switch to the HTML editor. This is crucial because we'll be inserting HTML code directly into the page. You can do so by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of the editor and selecting Code Editor. This switch from the visual editor to the code editor gives us the freedom to input custom HTML for our quiz. Now comes the coding part. You'll start by creating a simple form structure with basic HTML tags. You'll need to use a combination of the form, label, input, and button tags to set up the framework of your quiz. This coding will look somewhat like form, followed by label that describes the question, and input tags where users can input their answers. For each question in your quiz, make sure to close each element properly and open a new one for clarity and functionality. Provide a submit button at the end of your form by utilizing the button tag to ensure that users can send their responses. Once your HTML structure is in place, the next task is to style it, giving it a visual appeal. This is where CSS, or cascading style sheets, comes into play. You should add CSS to change the look and feel of your quiz. For instance, you can adjust the width of your input fields, change colors, or add some padding. You can enter the CSS code just above the form structure in the HTML editor or go to the additional CSS section in the WordPress customizer. Either way, be sure your styles enhance rather than complicate the user experience. Lastly, test your quiz to ensure it functions correctly. Preview your page, and go through the quiz yourself to confirm that everything is working as expected. Check to see if the form elements align properly and whether the submit button is responsive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create an engaging quiz form on your WordPress site without the need for any additional plugins. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!